All right, Cameron, what would you rate your sandwich?
Trying to get some. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. What would you rate of your sandwich that you ate already?
About a 6, 7.
About a 6-7. What would you rate your pretzel bites?
Um, maybe a 7.
That's pretty good.
7. 7.
Just 7 across the board, pretty much. I think. I wasn't really paying attention.
I said 7. He said 6 or 7.
7. 7. That's the average.
Good. That's the Walnut Grill experience.
This is Walnut.